Hey everybody, it is SuperGirl KY here with a Cricut creation, and today we are making gift tags. This is a super easy, super simple idea to make your gift this holiday season a little extra special with a homemade gift label. So you can do it two ways. You can copy what I have in the design link exactly, in which case I use the oversized red labels without any writing on them to go behind the green labels with writing and vice versa. Or you can do what I'm doing in this video, which is using colorful and themed holiday paper and cutting out that as the oversized tags for both the green and the red. It is just some spare paper I had around from last year that I wanted to use, and this seemed like the perfect opportunity. So once you are satisfied with everything, then I went ahead and had the Cricut cut it out once I had everything prepared. Once the Cricut was done cutting out everything, I lined up and paired each decorative color paper with the corresponding tag. Now what I did is I cut the ribbon to be 6 inches long, and what you do is you pair each side, thread it through, and double back and pull it through. It's very simple and very easy. And then all you have to do when it comes time to gift time is just simply tape that ribbon down to the gift, or you can put the bow tape on top and that'll look super cute too. And then you just write in the to and the from. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want a notification every time I post a new video, go ahead and click that bell. Comment below any ideas you would like me to proceed with in the future, and I will include a link to this design. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.